Hello, let's look at a math of finance problem. This is Blinko's charges $24.99 to print 100 top quality single page resumes. Each additional 50 copies costs $10. Write a piecewise function to represent this. Well, what we're looking at here, it says each additional 50 copies will cost $10, right? So basically, we're getting two sets of 50 copies. Two sets of 50 copies for $24.99. So to write out a piecewise function, let's label it R for resume and X for the number of sets of 50 copies. So we're going to say that X is equal to sets of 50 copies. And we're going to write out a function. Well, the first scenario is $24.99 when X is less than, it's sets of 50. So how many sets of 50 copies are in 100? That would be 2. And X will represent an integer in this case. What's going to happen if it's over 2? Well, it's going to be $24.99 plus, I believe it says it's going to be $10 each additional set of 50. So it's going to be 10 times, the number of copies that are over the original set of 2. So can I say X minus 2 when X is greater than, this one should be less than or equal to 2. This one should be X is greater than 2 because we're referring to basically 3 or more. So if it's 3 copies, it'll be 3. So to do an example here, to understand this problem, if I wanted to figure out what is R of 2. R of 2 simply represents in this situation 2 sets of 50, which is 100 copies. It's going to be $24.99. If we needed to find R of 5, that represents 5 sets of 50 copies. So I'm going to plug in 5 here. So that'll be 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 times 10, that'll be $30. $30 plus $24.99 will be $54.99. And that's it for that example.